And we were wearing the same thing pala.
Yeah. Hindi yun ano. Hello. You're spelling the sayang name, Digimundo. Hello. You're so mean to your parents. Ate, naka Cebu. Hello.
It's his birthday.
Happy. What?
Even my gift.
What's the date?
Still 9.
Okay.
Still, we don't have anything. Yes, we're at Cebu. We're gonna go somewhere we've always wanted to go. We kept talking about this inside.
Thank you, Watcher, for giving us your jerseys to Cebu. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, I would wear it.
I always wear it. Like on our lazy days, babe.
Ano wa man ka-Arin? I wonder. Anong kasi siya sa Iloilo?
Oo nga, no?
Anong ginawa ni sa Iloilo? Anong ginawa ni Darren?
Ay. Oh?
Ate Patch!
Oh!
Hey, don't say that.
Don't look at your window. Oh, lagi.
What?
Makita. Like, mag-phone ka, makita. Eh, enjoy Cebu, ate.
Oh, diba? You can see?
Yeah.
No, you can.
Lagi, kita lagi. Oh! Thanks, bro. Thanks for the advice.
Just looking at advice, ganda. So sexy.
Makita, Jude, crazy yun. Hello! Bakit top 1 yan? Bakit top 1 yan?
Kasi the TikTok streak, we need to...
Hindi yung TikTok.
Wait, I really need to poop.
Bro, wag mo stay sa live ko, bitch.
Sorry.
Mukha, or...
Kyra nasa...
Yeah, Kyra nasa right... Ay, 12 pa pala. Watch kayo, guys, kasi... Asa inyo sa Cebu?
Mine is at...
Sa... Kanidapit. Hindi, mag-straight ka niya, mag-right ka niya, mag-left.
Well, ako from here, it's like straight. Tapos merong curve. So you just go like here, U-turn, unya mara ka like that, unya left, unya, tapos mo right ka.
Okay, enough ka na.
Kayo lang ba ngayon? Hindi po. Merong tao dito. Joram, shout out.
How was your SM yesterday? By crazy kayo. It was so lami sa feeling.
Yeah, thank you for coming. For the people that wanted to take photos with me, that I chatted as well. I'm so sorry I couldn't stay. Okay, we really had to go kasi madaming tao sa SM. Pero thank you for coming. Hopefully we get to take more pictures together.
Yeah. Also, I wanna thank Reindeers for the pabanda sa airport, boy. Look, it was so nice. It was extra special pag-arrive namin.
I felt.
Why are you lagging, bro?
We felt sinulog and like
Yo,
Cebu right away.
Kasi we went out the airport, tapos I saw people, tapos biglang may
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, yung Reindeers pala yun. So
I went like this, I went like...
Yeah, I was from Reindeers.
Water daw rin.
Boy, you know, I don't do TikTok dances, tapos pinasaya ako ng water.
Did you know that the Kaimates, clutch ilahang buwan?
Yeah, I saw.
Thank
Good
you,
clutch, guys.
Good clutch. I loved it. Thank you so much.
Your intros were so nice.
I saw the news intro.
Dinagyang? Yeah, I'm going to... Are you going to Dinagyang? Yeah, we're going to Dinagyang.
You know what? Honestly, I felt so happy yesterday because not only...
Is it from us?
Yeah. Wait,
Wala, it's different lang talaga. Wala, it's different lang talaga, like being in your hometown.
Yeah.
I thought it was very calm, like, pero when I did it talagang, and also having your friends in the crowd.
Yeah, I'm not so happy for real. Like, I cannot explain it to words, but I was just so happy yesterday.
I was so happy.
Not only because we're at our hometown. But also, andun yung Kaimates, yung Kyrenites, yung JP Kai, yung Kai Rain homies. Andun sila lahat. Also, the reindeers were there. The homies were there. Like, everyone was there to support both of us. Like, legit, lahat. Everyone there to support us. So, like, in our hometown, by the way. So, that's extra.
Yeah.
Extra.
Tapos, like, what we keep talking inside the house, kanang her friend and my friends will collaborate.
Yeah.
It happened yesterday. It was so fun.
That's so great.
Nice meeting Yano and Janine. So fun.
Nice meeting the Clover friends.
Shoutout din pala Clover friends sa stage.
It was crazy kay...
Clover!
Oh, it was crazy kay... Diba Clover sa apat? But diba Rain went to... Ako naman... We're a duo. But I went to... Oh! Sorry, my bad. My bad. Since duo me, I went to PBB. So now that they're in outside world, sila ang naging 4-leaf clover.
Lagi? Kami
yung naging duo. But yesterday, you guys have to watch my vlog.
Yeah, she was like,
You guys have to watch.
nag-joke lang siya, nag-start ng vlog yan, tapos dedicated na siya, so
Yeah, na-dedicate
mag-show ka ng snip clip.
Snip clip.
Snip clip. Like, it's so fun, like, we were so ingay kasi vibe talaga yung si Yana at saka Clover friends ko, tapos kaming lahat by. And you know what's crazy? Yana and her she gonna look alike, tapos Yana and I kinda sound alike.
So ilang team song? Good God gave me.
Show me what's real. Para silang, kita niyo yung when Hershey and Yana met in Marag OFW couple. Like,
As if they already saw each other in real life. As if they already saw each other in real life.
Yeah, that was our first time. Dili ka ng... Katong shocking.
Yo, that's the climax. Ay, they're going by.
Oh God, we weren't able to take much videos. But her vlog is so...
Ito na lang. Ang OA, naka-black.
Sorry, you know when I laugh with my Clover friends, I really go on the floor. Kasi ganyan kami mag-express ng laughter in the world. Paano ka mag-laugh? Okay, reflect by kay we're showing you.
It's okay. Kay, ano naman ko idea? Wait, what am I gonna show you guys?
Mana naman you showed me.
Did you see the CC like color? Yes.
Yeah, thank you, homies.
It went purple.
It was purple.
And I was like, I miss our
Oh, shoutout pala sa Gorgeous. What's your Gorgeous cap? Yeah, it's so cute. But it's my favorite cap at the moment. Look. Ayos yun.
Hindi po.
Bro, I wanna poo.
Ako din.
Please, do you wanna go poo with us?
No. 1, 10, 11. Ay po.
Huh?
Mga 12. Let's see the question.
Ay, may questions mo.
What college program do you want to take in the nearest future? Yeah. Wala yung plan.
Business management.
Oh. Asap app ka ba today, Kai? Opo. No.
Hello. Jenny Kim?
Bob. What's your answer?
Bagay po ba si...
Can you stop? Lechon na ba kayo? Yes. Loves the lechon here. Shout out Keisha Flies. Files. Kala ko you fly.
Oh, it's getting crazy. It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay, I'm back to you.
Is the love shot.
Love. Oh, thank you. Okay, maganda pa po in person.
Yeah, super.
Oh, wow, scripted lagi pagka-answer.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, hindi.
Maganda ka ba in person?
So the videos of your show, Ate Pa. Ate Patch, why are you not here? Ate Patch, what not ka here? Sakay mo.
Flute. No! Flute!
Funny yung flute. I love it.
Oh. Hi, Greenland! Oh. Hi, Mutya!
Hi, Mutya.
Have you met Mutya?
Yeah, thank you. I mean, first time I met her kay Christmas special.
I told her we should go karting. Hi, Ate Vanet. Ate Vanet. We're saying hi there. They're not even like talking to us. No? So mean to be.
At least we acknowledge their presence.
True. Rihanna.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cutie Cake.
Kiss now. Both 8. Yeah, literally. We both
Say
8.
both. I'm saying both 8. I gotta go 8, like 7, 8.
Both 8. Wala ba? Just follow her on Instagram.
No, hindi kami nagkita.
Shout out Rima. Shout out.
Hey, read that. Winilot. Flying Kiss if you love.
Huh? Why would you do that? I don't know. Zumba.
From the pale.
Shout out Liza. So, Marana.
No, it was Tyler's birthday yesterday, guys. Pero I wasn't able to go. Happy birthday, Tyler. I'm sorry.
Hello from Indonesia.
Hello, Indonesia. It's in you, everyone. Can you hear the background?
What's the sinulog sign? Diba it's like this?
Shut up, please.
Do it.
This is not the Silulog sign.
It is.
You're like teaching the... Fave music. Guys.
My favorite
Ew, did you
music.
just fart?
At the moment, no one farted.
Wala, bahuan ni mong fart.
I did not fart. Si Jorong.
Mayo kayo masaya og water si Kai. Of course, she does it every day.
Have you guys seen Rain do it? If you guys, no, so that she can do it right.
I don't even dance TikTok dances alone tapos pinawater ako. Crazy talaga.
My favorite song at the moment. What?
Is that what you said?
No. Gosh. And ito.
Hey. Ooh. Shout out Zeke.
So yeah, represent.
Shout out Zeke every day. He's giving Danya so early.
And this.
Oh. Oh. Yan yung jam namin sa chord. No. The Glover friends had to leave yesterday. Wow, sa account ko.
I did that last time, and then my Instagram live just went off. I asked them if I could, then they told me I could, so I continued. And then share Spotify playlist. No.
Bawal kasi. Oh, meron din ako niyan.
Sorry, nasanay po sa TikTok live.
Sorry. We don't have parade.
No parade.
We will go somewhere.
We're gonna go somewhere special. Something we've always been talking about inside the house.
Galing mo magturo.
They don't know it. Yeah.
Bro, I know why. My TikTok is so shadow banned. Like, call yan.
Wait.
Listen. Guys, yan na yung vibe actually.
I knew that ever since. Sabi
Like,
ko,
our voices are so like, it's so weird. I actually got scared. Like, you know the Lazada ni Kai? And then Yana was the one on the call. It also made me question if I did a recording for Kai. Like, I thought Kai was talking to me. But then, like, there's a difference. You know how Yana talks? I'm gonna talk like Yana. Boy. But like, I wanna go there, bro.
oh,
Bro, can you go? Bro. But I'm just like, creep, right?
I think she's still asleep. She also,
She's awake. Oh, that was
3 a.m.
September, October, the time I need
What is that? PVV.
Your house?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
There, ano naman good? There.
Yeah. But yeah, you know, Kai was comparing her height to. It's so weird. Ay. Yeah, that's why. Kai was comparing her height to what? Kai was comparing her height to Niall, and she's like, bro, you're not 5'7". She thought she was Yedda. Crazy.
They all kind of look alike.
Ganda lang.
I was gonna show it noon.
What if a familiar
Wanna swim? Never mind. I didn't bring clothes. Thank you, pretty teeth. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, let's get it going. Harry Beal. Sorry, nag-wig ako. Bye. Wait! What are you doing?
Dance! Festival queen!
Oh, sabi mo naman siya. Si Kai was so, you know, like going to the breakfast buffet, Kai was so, like, lazy. Like, she wouldn't get up.
Because I said I don't want to eat.
You don't wanna eat.
Nakita niyo yung hotel yung
I know, right, Kai? It's okay, we're going out.
I need to poop.
Also me. No, where's the card?
Wala ko. Nawala ko.
I should end the live now. Bye, guys.
And when I'm
What's so many?
it's a filter.
Why? How did I get the filter?
Bye-bye, y'all.
Look cute lagi.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye. Bye. Goodbye. Go, goodbye.
Bye.